Hello creative kids, welcome back. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to draw a superhero from start to finish. Grab your pencil, paper, and let's get started. Today's hero is Flash. Did you know the Flash made his debut in Flash Comics #1 in 1940? The original Flash was Jay Garrick, a college student who gained his super speed abilities through inhaling hard water vapors. Please do not try this at home. The Flash's powers are fueled by the Speed Force, an extra-dimensional energy field that gives speedsters like the Flash their powers. This mysterious force allows him to break the laws of physics, time, and space. How cool is that? The Flash is one of the fastest characters in the DC universe, capable of running at speeds faster than the speed of light. This allows him to time travel, enter other dimensions, and even outrun death itself. One of the Flash's most significant abilities is his ability to travel through time. This has led to multiple storylines where he interacts with different timelines and even causes major events like the Flashpoint paradox, which reshaped the entire DC universe. The Flash has one of the most famous rogues galleries of villains, including characters like Reverse Flash, Captain Cold, Mirror Master, and Heatwave. Many of his enemies have abilities that counter his speed. Hey everyone, I've got an awesome idea. Let's create our very own superhero together. Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell me what powers our new hero should have. With your help, we can design a superhero even faster than Flash. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.